Hi guys, and welcome back again to our channel. So we're on the way to San Carlos City right now. We're gonna order some ice cream for the kids. We're planning to have food giving this coming December 24. So hopefully that it will be available, the ice cream that time, and also we're gonna order some foods also for our community, and we're gonna buy 2 gallons of ice cream. Hopefully that they'll still have available this coming December 24. And we're gonna order some fried chicken, and it's with rice already and it's already cooked. They're gonna pack it. And
is it dead?
yeah, it's dead.
Okay. I just wondered. Well, some people prefer them alive.
Yeah, iba din.
They won't see it moving around.
Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna stop first to check the ice cream, and we're gonna go directly to San Carlos City after that. And I'm gonna buy more candies. Candy. And Virgil is here, the back. He go with us this time because there's no rice. We already bought the rice, and we're gonna pack the rice maybe tomorrow. We're gonna put it in the plastic bag. I'm kind of excited about that. And I'm gonna do some video when we're gonna pack the rice, and maybe we're gonna buy some soft drinks also. Maybe if we have space we can put it in the van. Maybe we go to the market after we go San Carlos. Okay, so it'd be a busy day to us. Another busy day to us. So I've been attending the mass this morning also. Then we go back to sleep around 7 a.m. right? And then we woke up 9 a.m. So it's 2 hours sleep, because we leave in the house around 2:20 in the morning. Then the mass starts around 4 a.m. So I'm gonna show you now the weather here, so stay tuned. So right now we're still here in the rough road, and as you can see, it's sunny day. It's another solar day for us. It's another free electricity for us. The skies are blue. So this side here, the sugar cane. As you can see, they already harvest the sugar cane that side, and it'll be more coming because there's a lot of sugar cane here that it's ready to harvest. Yeah. So as you can see, that beautiful tree there is so nice, so pretty. I like the tree, that acacia tree there.
You gotta take it home.
How I'm gonna take it home?
You reach over and pick it up.
Only the leaf. I hope you all guys are doing good, and I really do appreciate for supporting my YouTube channel. So as you can see in the right side, there's workers there. They're loading some sugar cane in that big truck, sugar cane truck. There's there. So they're so busy loading the sugar cane. They're in the truck. So,
50 pesos per day.
I wonder if there's any place here in the Philippines that has the sugarcane harvesters that automatically cuts and puts it on the drum.
I don't know. Maybe somewhere in Bacolod, I don't know.
Maybe in Luzon,
Maybe in Luzon, somewhere in Luzon.
maybe in Mindanao. Well, they raise sugarcane too. Don't they?
Yeah.
The Negros is the #1 producer of the Philippines.
Yeah, the Negros is the #1 producer in the sugarcane in the Philippines. It's lots of sugarcane field here.
Yes, people is
Maybe the reason they don't invest into the automatic harvesters because they want to keep the people employed.
What's in Cebu, Virgil? Virgil said Cebu is fishing.
Yeah,
Negros is sugarcane. Familiar of famous in sugarcane. Sugar. Negros is famous in sugar. Then Cebu is famous in fishermen like that fish. Virgil is smart. He's listening on his teacher. How about Mindanao?
Mindanao.
Yeah. Pagmimina, mining.
Yeah.
Said in Mindanao is mining.
He's correct.
You're so smart, Langga. You're so smart, Jim. How about in Luzon?
That's a good one for me too.
The barangay captain.
I don't know what they major in the zone. Unless you want to consider the ports. There's a major port now, import and export. Even though Mindanao has them, in Cebu.
So, see you guys later. So stay tuned. So we already checked the ice cream and it's available this coming December 24. So we're gonna go back there to order because we need to make sure first that the chicken will be available this coming December 24. So right now we're here in the Bagawinis. We're on the way to San Carlos City. So hopefully their chicken will be available this coming December 24. So it's already cooked. We pack it with rice, together with rice, and it's easy to give us to our community because it's already packed. So it's less hassle, and it's much cheaper also compared to the other food store in San Carlos. It's much cheaper. We can save little money on that. It's gonna be a busy. It's not really busy because we already bought the rice, right?
Yeah.
So tomorrow we're gonna pack it 4 kilo every bag.
40.
4 kilo.
Oh, okay.
That's so many.
Because we have 650 kilo, baby.
Yeah.
650 kilo all. So the road right now is so busy, maybe because of the holidays. People
Yeah.
gonna go somewhere, going to the mall, buy some.
Well, the other families going one place to the next.
Yeah, they're gonna, some of the people here, especially in December, they're gonna have some reunion together with their families and relatives. They're gonna have get together with their families because it's holiday.
Really?
I just want to do some videos so that you know what happens to our life today. So as you can see my videos, the last year that I post that we have some Christmas party there in our community, and we have that big party, right, together with the McDonald's. They have that McDonald's characters. It's really enjoyable last year. But this,
Too bad we didn't have budget for it this year.
yeah, this year we really don't have a budget for that. We just do simple this year. The important is we give it through our hearts, and I know that they will enjoy also in us, even though in a simple way, right? Especially the kids, they love the candies and also the ice cream. So I'm gonna order 2 gallons of ice cream so that it be enough for all of us. You know, kids are easy to please, right?
Yep.
Even though small candies, you give it to them, their smiles is really priceless.
Correct.
It's really amazing here. The kids here in the Philippines, even though you give some simple gift, they are really like they win a lottery. That's why I'm gonna buy more candies for them, because they're gonna enjoy it. We're gonna give it, we're gonna pack it in the bag, in the
Yeah. Well, paper bags.
paper bag, and we're gonna put some candies on it, maybe about 80 bags or more. And I'm gonna buy more candies to make sure that it's enough. And then we're gonna throw some candies there in our place. Then the kids will gonna pick there in the ground. It'd be more fun like that, right? And you're the one who do it. Huh? My husband will gonna throw some candies there, and the kids will gonna get it there in the ground. That'd be more enjoyable too.
Probably do it there on the carport.
Yeah, in the carport.
So get
We're
there.
gonna do there where the carport is. Yeah, we're gonna park the van there, the top,
Yeah.
in front, but there, top. Beside the truck of Miguel.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do some videos that time when we start giving the foods to them, so that you guys knows also how we celebrate, how we share our small blessings to our community, and how they appreciate everything that we've done to them. It's a small, but it's through our hearts. It's from the deepest of our hearts we do that for them. So I'll see you guys when we arrive there in San Carlos City, so stay tuned. So we're already here in San Carlos City, and we're gonna go to the Crispy King store where the foods are. We're gonna order there. So much traffic this morning there in the road. Lots of vehicles. So we are here at the back side. Is this? It's I forgot now where is the ice in the other side, right?
Yeah.
It's in front of Pure Gold. Hopefully you can get to park the vehicle there. They have also another dental clinic here. Newly open dental clinic. Just need to be careful because that's the San Carlos ba is improving. There's a lots of business going on here now. Stores, lots of stores open.
Don't try to park here because there's no place to park up there.
Yeah, you just park here. You can park here.
I can squeeze up here to the end. That gives me space to get out.
So it's over there where you see that sign there,
Yeah.
the Crispy King, that one. That's where I'm
Yeah,
gonna
I
go.
see it.
That's where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna order the foods.
See that red sign?
Yeah. So we are here right now in this toll shop, Enco toll shop. So my husband's there inside. So he gonna buy some screwdriver. And I already ordered the chicken. I ordered 180 pieces. Then we're gonna pick it up by December 24. And
December.
it's December 21 today. And I also bought the extra candies for the kids. So hopefully they will enjoy it. And there's my husband. It's too hot today here in San Carlos. I'm gonna stop there in the. So this is the toll that he bought. Screwdriver. Inco is a nice brand.
Yes. Probably
Maybe
compatible.
you buy something for Willie. What you think? What you think he likes to have?
Probably this would be nice.
Huh? He just borrow you.
Let me see.
There's a lot of nice tools in it.
They have a lots of nice tools there.
Let me see.
Those are probably a step above a Stanley.
I'm gonna stop there in the market, baby. I'm gonna buy some ice cream cup and some spoons. So we got.
discount too, by the way.
That's good. So we're gonna.
$3.33.
Okay, that's good. So we're gonna go to the market here in San Carlos, and I'm gonna go inside in the market to buy some ice cream cup and some plastic spoon for the ice cream because they don't have there in the market of Valle Hermoso. As you can see, so busy here. Preparing for upcoming Christmas. People buying some grocery stuffs like that for Christmas and New Year.
It's not cartoon, Mom. It's not cartoon.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, the parking spot.
So we're gonna look for the parking spot. So my husband just wait here. There's one here, baby.
Yeah.
There's one here. So I already bought the ice cream cup and the ice cream spoon. So we're on the way to Valle Hermoso now to get the soft drinks and to order the ice cream.
Well, that's gonna be nice when I get them finished.
So they not over here. They have that traffic light, but it's not function yet. So maybe soon they're gonna start the traffic light. So it's very traffic right now. So there's a traffic enforcer there at the center.
Yeah, I'll miss them because I enjoy them.
Yeah. They're the one.
Yeah, they always dancing or something.
Yeah. The traffic enforcer here, they are kind funny because
Yeah, they're very entertaining.
yeah, very entertaining because they're dancing like that. They entertain you. So we just not stop there in the mall because I already bought the candies there in Pure Gold. And I know the grocery in Gaisano is very busy right now. In Pure Gold, it's not really busy. But they don't have a lot of choices of candies, but I already have some there in the house. Last time I bought many and I just want to get some extra because maybe we need more. So we're gonna stop here in the gasoline station. We're gonna get some gasoline because my husband likes that V-Power here in the Shell's gasoline station. They're gonna give that free calendar again. Kuan ya, V-Power full tank. So we're gonna put full tank. So the price right now it's 60.85 pesos per liter.
$1.10 a gallon.
Huh?
I mean, it's $1.10 a quart.
Have a calendar.
I don't know if they give. Maybe they're out
So I'd be $4.40 a gallon.
for 40 a gallon.
We pay almost double what they do in the U.S.
Yeah.
US, their stuff is very expensive.
We're gonna put full tank so that maybe we'll be back December 24 here, but we just make sure we have gasoline because I need to go to the church every morning. It's 3 mornings left to go in the church, to attend the early mass before the Christmas. We call this one dawn mass or simbang gabi.
Mommy, we can get a calendar.
Oh, they give you already last time.
Huh?
They gave already last time calendar.
You know, I can't complain that we carried a big load on there.
Yeah, we've been to the Canlaon in this last time, right?
Yeah, they carried a big load.
Yeah.
Plus the mountains. Been to church for 2 days or 3.
Yeah.
Plus the funeral. That's not bad.
881.
That'd be $16.
$16. Because it's only half tank, right?
Yeah.
$16 for half tank of gasoline.
You know, it's only a small tank. It only holds 9 gallons.
9 gallon. Our van holds only 9 gallon.
So it's $16 for roughly 4 gallon gasoline. It's not even 4 gallons.
US stuff. US stuff is so
About
expensive.
3.5 gallons.
Thank you.
So it's just a little above half.
So we're on the way now to Valia Hermoso.
What's working? You did-
Virgil, put your seat belt, anak.
Oh, okay. I thought we left him behind.
There's so many stuff here.
We'll move the stuff to the side and put
Yeah.
the belt on.
You can move it to the other side and you need.
I'm telling you, if we go to a checkpoint, then it'd be a
It's
big
for your
problem.
own safety, Virgil. You need to put your seat belt.
It'd be a big problem. It's Christmas time, and definitely it'll pop up.
Give me
anywhere.
your water. arrived here in the house. Then we're gonna put the soft drinks here in the terrace. So my father unload the soft drinks. So we bought 240 pieces of the soft drinks. So they put it there at the back of our porch. Ablir day ni.
Abli ang papalo.
Wala nila kiding pit gabi eh.
Gila, kanyo oh, gila. Buwan na dirila. Wala.
So here's the soft drinks. It's Sprite, Royal, and Coke. I just let them put here at the back of our porch. So it's good that we got what we need today and we are home early. I'm gonna lock here. Let's see. Yan, asa pa big? Okay. Ugma lang ta magpack aring bugas day. Kay init pa kayo gunya, napakoy i-arrange mga nilabhan. So hot here today. So you can see how bright it is. The sky. So I think that's all for today, guys. I'm gonna start cooking lunch for my husband. I'm gonna start cooking, and thank you so much again for subscribing my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless us. See you on my next video.